up with yet another new recipe. This is a very simple recipe and very easy to make it. Even bachelors can try at home. This is a simple and easy egg roast. So the ingredients are almost 4 eggs I took, boiled egg. These eggs I have just poked it with fork. I don't know if you can see it or not. I have pricked this with fork so that all the masalas will go inside. Okay, or even if you have a knife you can make a cut, but I prefer to do like this, so that's the reason I did. Then 3 medium sized onions, I have sliced it finely, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, 2 tomatoes. Then I have crushed the fennel seeds and the pepper, garam masala, coriander powder, sugar, it's optional, chili powder, oil, any refined oil you can take, then 3 to 4 green chilies, curry leaves, water, salt to taste. So just get started. So I took a kadai. Initially we will be frying the egg. So already I have preheated it. In this I'll be adding oil. Actually it is a Kerala recipe, so if you want to try it in coconut oil, even you can do that. It will enhance the flavor. But if you want to use normal refined oil also, you can use that. In that I'll be adding almost 1 teaspoon of, just reduce the flame, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a spoon of turmeric, and salt. Okay. After that you can put the entire egg into it. Coat it. So it got coated well. Now I'll be closing it and I'll be roasting it in a very low flame. Okay, till just for a light brown color it has to turn up, tilt it, flip it over and roast it. Okay. Meanwhile I took another pan. Already again this is also preheated. Again in this I'm adding the oil, almost 2 tablespoons of oil. In this I'm adding the sliced onions. So you have to fry it till it turns into a brown color, a golden brown color. Simultaneously I'm adding a bit of salt to it. I'm keeping it high flame and I'm doing it. So in this simultaneously I'll be adding few curry leaves and also the split green chilies, and again I'll be roasting it. Here the egg, I'm just flipping it, so like this, like shallow brown it has to become. So again in another 2-3 minutes I'll be turning off the gas. So the egg got roasted and I have turned off the gas. Yes, it turned translucent. Now in this we'll be adding the ginger garlic paste, almost 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it till the rawness goes. Now I'm making the gas in a low flame as we have to add all the powders to it. I'm adding the crushed fenugreek and pepper. Then I'll be adding the chili powder. Almost, this is Kashmiri chili powder, so 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Then the turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well till the rawness goes. Yes, it is fine now. In this, let's add the tomatoes. Add little bit of water. Little bit of water, and then add a little bit of salt to it according to your taste. Close it and cook it till the tomato turns mushy. So let's see. I'm keeping it in a bit high flame, and I'm gonna open it and cook it. The tomatoes all became mushy, and in this, as I said, it's an optional. I'm adding a pinch of sugar to it. It will enhance the flavor. A pinch. So if you want to add, you can add, otherwise you can just leave this part. Again, roast it for under 2-3 minutes. So it got roasted. Now let's add the egg to it, including the oil I'm adding. Mix it. And also I'm adding the few curry leaves. So do it slowly. You should not break the egg. So our tasty egg roast is ready. I am turning off the gas, and let's go with the serving part. So the tasty egg roast is ready to have. This thing you can have it with chapati, with rice, with dosha. So please do try it home and pass on your comments to us. As I always say, please do subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Your motivation is highly valuable for us. Thank you and have a good day.